So you saw the nice clip before, and then here we are. Okay. You ever try to shift out of first into second mid wheelie, and you give it too much beans? That's what happens. You end up on the fucking ground. Oh yeah. It was a long day today, boys. It was hot. I'm just chilling here with my nuts out, letting air out. Just hanging out, you know. We're gonna make a video today. Gonna go do some stuff on my bike, Fender Eliminator. We're gonna go hopefully pull the cam on my 5.3 and maybe paint the block and grind down the frame rails. We'll see. And I want to paint the bathroom, but we'll see how much I actually get done. So let's go. The dads on YouTube the before. Alright dudes, we got the eBay parts. eBay special. Right there. Okay. No more turn signals on the side. Bro, do you see my YouTube audience is like 60% over the age of 55? Nah, for real, I have, I think it was like 20% of my audience is 65 plus years old. It really is just the dads out here, bro. Just gotta wear it. eBay loves it.
Zach's fucking bitching sleeping, so.
You tell him. Tom
Because he
Cruise.
won't come outside himself.
Look at all that rust, bro. Someone... You already know. We got the high clearance oil pan and stuff, and the motor mounts, and we got the first 2 coats of primer on. We took all this shit off. John did all the wiring, all of it, 100%. Got to be an electrician. Now my bike looks a little better. John, I think get some sweet seats. Here are the motor mounts. This swap. Solid. I have to weld those in. So I guess I'll show you guys how the light actually looks like functioning in the dark type shit. It's not really dark in here. Ow. But you know we got the sequential. So yeah. Let's go, baby. Another dub in the books for the